And just like that, you have a sparkly clean window that just happens by itself.
Today, we're in the beautiful Redwoods.
You guys look a little bundled up back there. Do you want a drink?
No, I get this out of that creek back there.
We'll learn some new stuff from our kids.
Where'd you hear that?
Magic school bus.
And we'll knock off a bucket list item.
Well, the guy in front of me just took off, didn't pay anything.
Just pay $5.
Welcome to the Pacific Northwest. Let's do it.
We are 4 ticks away. And now we are 3 ticks away. How much was it?
$3.25 there.
We've parked the RV for a few days. Let's go exploring.
You guys look a little bundled up back there. 55 degrees. We stopped in Klamath for the night. Beautiful along the river.
The Oregon coast is beautiful coming down.
Yes, very, very scenic.
The rocks are beautiful out there off the coast. They're really nice.
Made me miss the boat. Seeing all the water.
Oh yeah, the
We
Pacific.
could be
Yeah.
sailing. It probably be really cold.
Yeah. Foggy.
Yeah. Northern California, we're getting close to our stop.
Got our newest family member back here.
Not you, the bike. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, bike.
Yeah, the bike. Or the baby. I mean, we could count that as the newest family member as well. She has been so active. Way different than Reese was. Reese was in there, he was like in a coma. He used to poke my belly and be like, is he okay? Because he never moves. And like, my stomach is jumping. So really different. I don't know. It's nice. It's a nice
See
change.
what happens.
We will. Excited.
There's a big tree.
Let's see the big tree.
We've decided to go for a hike today through the famous Redwoods.
Not as big as an RV.
That is big. That's the biggest tree I've ever seen. There you go. Is it good? Yeah, nice and fresh. Man, just taking it down. How about you? You want a drink? No thanks, I don't want any.
Do you want a drink?
No.
Why?
I get this out of that creek back there.
We've got a nice little dam there.
Yep. So if I just take one rock off, all the water should flow back out.
These trees are among the oldest living organisms in the world. They can live for more than 2,000 years.
What do you think about these trees?
Good, we saw a daddy long legs.
Yeah. For Reese's first time seeing a daddy long leg. These trees are huge, man. It feels like you're in Star Wars.
Whenever we find a creek, Reese has to build a little dam. It's kind of his thing. The roots only go down 6 to 12 feet, but they can extend up to 100 feet from the tree's base.
Touch the tree, Dad.
All right.
I
I think it's smooth from everybody. Maybe not. I was gonna say everybody touching it, but yeah, it is. But it looks like that all the way up.
If something's bad, the tree's roots would touch the other tree root, which will give it oxygen or something to help, like energy.
Where'd you hear that?
Magic school bus.
Wow. Learning
Magic school
shows.
We try to push learning shows, but the actual learning happens out here, exploring in real life. Reese has a lot of miles under his belt at just 7 years old.
What's in there?
There, do you think?
I don't know.
Oh, bear's home.
That freaks me out a little.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
An alien, maybe?
Maybe.
Reminds me of the creepy alien show we were watching.
Me too.
All right, I'm good.
Aliens, probably. It was cool to walk inside an ancient stump. Wonder how old this is.
Look at where this tree fell perfectly in pieces so people could walk through.
Nah.
Get your water. Some water?
Oh, you're not going to share with us?
No, there's germs. I hydrate before things like this. They hydrate during. It's completely asinine.
No, you don't. Don't listen to him.
You dehydrate with coffee, butterscotch and Red Bull. At the end of the day, you're like, I haven't had any water today. And you just pound water.
There you go. Boom.
It's the most crazy thing.
That was a lovely stroll. The Redwoods are spectacular. But we have something else we want to do while here.
You can drive through these redwood trees. There's 3, all within a couple hours of each other. We just so happened to be at the RV park 2 minutes down the road from one of them.
Well, the guy in front of me just took off, didn't pay, and went in there.
So they trust that you're gonna donate $5.
Yeah, it's like an honor system.
Yeah. So we pulled up. We didn't have the money. We turned around and went back to the gas station, got change. But it looks like the people in front of us did not.
Well, now there's a second car. They're like, right now they're looking at it, they're debating. Oh, she opened the door.
Oh yeah, she's gonna do it. Yeah. All right, so that's cool. And then we're gonna drive the Jeep through.
I think they put it down the road.
That's so messed up. I can't see you.
It really went in.
It looked like it didn't go in.
No, it went in.
Are you one of those people?
Hell no.
I'm just joking. We're super
The first
honest.
car didn't even open their window. They were like, They're from Colorado.
And where's the next car from?
I don't know, but they paid something.
Ever since I met Jeremiah, he's been like talking about these redwood trees that we could go visit in California. We never did.
Is that it?
But now,
Oh, that is it.
13 years later, we are now
These are the people that
doing
didn't pay right here. You can't drive through that.
You don't think so?
Hell
Oh, I
no.
think he's backing up.
You can't drive through that son of a gun.
Why did I just pay $5? Oh my gosh.
This is why people
I think you can.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if the Jeep
Let's
can
wait
make
for
it
these people to leave and then we'll try.
All right, but I'm gonna get like a running start. I'm just gonna go fast and try to through it.
No.
Okay. That sounds good.
Here we go.
Oh, yay.
Now you can be in it. Look up. Look up when you go in. Well, under Spider Street.
You good, Mom?
They should call it Spider Street.
You got to do it, Mom.
That is so fun. Do it again.
Do it again?
Do it again.
All right, Mom, let's do it again.
That was so cool. It's amazing that this thing is still standing with the center carved out. We barely fit, but we fit.
We did it! Well, bucket list.
You've always talked about driving through the redwood tree.
Yeah, I'm like, there's a tree you can drive through.
It only took us 13 years. We only used to live like 10 hours away. It took us 6 weeks.
We drove across country. All right, love you.
Another bucket list item complete. If you haven't done this, make sure you do. Life's short. Get out there if you can. If you can't, we're happy you came along with us.
What's your assessment of this RV park here around the river?
I like it. Lots of salmon fishing going on, which is something I've never really realized. There's wildlife right across the river that you can see, bears, deer. It's pretty cool.
We just happened upon this RV park. It was pretty sweet, located close to the Redwoods, with its own little marina and everything. Our time in the Pacific Northwest is coming to an end. This was an epic trip that we soon won't forget. Driving through these ancient trees reminds us of how small we really are. We aren't here for long. Give it another 100 years and we'll all be gone too. We are so thankful we took this trip across country. We got to visit places we wouldn't have on the boat. We miss the boat and we'll be back aboard soon, but for now, this is perfect. Next stop, San Diego to have this baby. Coming up,
I think we're almost there. How you feeling?
I'm excited and I'm nervous.
we're in San Diego and you're coming along for the ride. Oh boy. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.